Hello children, once again welcome back to chapter 4 parts and whole. Today also we are going to continue solving sums from workbook. Page number 34 from workbook, question number 12. Are these fractions equivalent? First question is 3 by 8 and 9 by 24. Here two fractions are given. You have learned about equivalent fractions yesterday. If the given fractions are having same simplest form or reduced form, then they are equivalent. So take the first fraction 3 by 8. It is already in the simplest form because 3 is the numerator. In the factors of 8 there is no 3, so we cannot simplify it further. It is in simplest form. Second fraction is 9 by 24. So 9 factors are 3 3s are, and 24 factors, as I explained yesterday, 24 can be written as 6 4s are, 4 factors are 2 2s are, 6 factors are 2 3s are. So 24 factors are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Now, what is common here? 1 time 3 in the numerator and denominator common coming. That is cancelled. Then what is left in the numerator? 3. Denominator 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. That is equal to 8. So 9 upon 24 equal to 3 by 8. That is 3 by 8 is the reduced form of the second fraction. The first fraction is 3 by 8. So the reduced form of second fraction is equal to the first fraction. So we can write 3 by 8 is equal to 9 by 24. Both are equal. So we can say 3 by 8 and 9 by 24 are equivalent fractions. Next, there are 4 questions of the same type. 5 by 6 and 10 by 18. Here also 5 by 6 is in the reduced form because numerator is 5 and there is no 5 coming in the denominator factors. Now second fraction 10 by 18. So first factorize numerator. What are the factors of 10? 2 5s are. 18, yesterday I taught you 18, 2 9s are. So 9 can be written as 3 3s are. So factors of 18 are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. What is common here? 2. 1 time 2 and 1 time 2 in the numerator and denominator common. That is cancelled. Then what is left in the numerator? 5. Denominator 3 3s are 9. So reduced form of 10 upon 18 equal to 5 upon 9. But what is the given first fraction? 5 by 6. Are they equal? No. 5 by 6 is not equal to 5 by 9. So we can say that 5 by 6 and 10 by 18 are not equivalent fractions. Third question, 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. See, 2 by 3 first fraction, it is in the reduced form because both numerator and denominators are prime number. Second also, 3 by 4 also in the reduced form. So we can't do anything. They are already in the reduced form and they are not equal. So we can say that 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 are not equivalent fractions. Fourth question, 3 by 4 and 12 by 16. 3 by 4 is in the reduced form. Now second fraction 12 by 16. We know factors of 16 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Now 16 can be written as 4 4s are, and 4 factors are 2 multiplied by 2. So 4 again 2 times coming, so 4 into 4 can be written as 2 2s are, and one more 4, so again 2 2s are. That is 4 times 2 is coming in the factor of 16. So 16 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. What is common here? Times 2 in the numerator and 2 times 2 in the denominator are coming as common factors. So that cancelled. What is left in the numerator? Only 3. What is left in the denominator? 2 2s are 4. So 12 upon 16 is equal to 3 by 4. And the first given fraction is also 3 by 4. So it is equal to the reduced form of the second fraction. So 3 by 4 equal to 12 by 16. So 3 by 4 and 12 by 16 are equivalent fractions. Next, some fill in the blanks are given. Question number 13. First one is 2 by 3 equal to 12 by dash, means in the box we have to fill the correct number. This is also somewhat the equivalent fraction only. Yesterday I taught you to get the equivalent fraction, the numerator and denominator of the given fraction should be multiplied with the same number. So here first one is 2 by 3. Numerator is 2 and the other numerator equivalent fraction numerator is 12. How can you make 2 12 by multiplying with 6, that is 2 6 are 12. So the denominator 3 also we have to multiply with 6. So 3 6 are 18. I have written the answer on the side. So 2 by 3 equal to 12 by 18, because 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18. Second one, dash upon 7 equal to 3 upon 21. Here the reduced one first given, there is the blank coming. So 3 by 21. Here numerator is not knowing, but denominator if you see here 21 and 7. 7 multiplying by which number will give you 21? 7 3s are coming 21. So that is 3 is the number we are multiplying with 7. So which number multiplying with 3 will give you 3? That is 3 1s are. 3 1s are 3. So what is the number coming in the blank? 1. So you see here 3, if or other way saying 1 3s are 3, 7 3s are 21. Or you can divide also, you can get, that is 21 divided by which number will give you 7? 21 divided by 3 will give you 7. Similarly, numerator also should be divided by 3. 3 divided by 3, that is equal to 1. Both the way we can find. So the blank answer is 1. Third question, 3 upon 5 equal to 12 upon dash. 3 multiplying by which number will give you 12? Easily you can say 3 4s are 12. So the denominator also we have to multiply by 4. So 5 4s are 20. Easily we can say 3 4s are 12 and 5 4s are 20. So the answer is 20. Last one, 21 upon 28 equal to 3 upon dash. Here reduced form, simplest form answer, second part given. So 21 making 3, 21 making to a smaller number 3, so we have to divide. 21 dividing by which number will give you 3? 21 divided by 7, or you can say 3 7s are 21. So 7 multiplying by which number will give you 28? 7 4s are 28, or you can say 28 divided by 7 equal to 4. So here what is the answer coming in the blank? 4. It is correct. Now see here. 3 7s are 21, 4 7s are 28. So you have to learn the tables well, then you can solve these type of questions very easily. Next, tick the correct option. That is, I have written as answer the following like that. In the textbook workbook, answer 4 options are also given, but I have solved it for you to do it easily. First one is, how many 1 by 5 will make 2? So here take the fraction 1 by 5. Here denominator is 5. So we can say that the whole thing is divided into 5 equal parts. In that one part is 1 by 5. So the whole thing is divided into 5 equal parts. So we can say that 5 times of 1 by 5 will make 1. And we have to make the answer 2. So double of that. So what is double of 5? 10. So 10 times of 1 by 5 will make 2. I have shown the calculation. 10 times of answer is 10 times. But I have shown to verify it. 10 times of 1 by 5 equal to 1 by 5 multiplied by 10. So 1 tens are 10 upon 5. 10 upon 5 equal to 2. So answer is 10. Second one, how many 1 by 8 will make 1 by 2? Same way. Here the given fraction is 1 by 8. That is, the whole thing is divided into 8 equal parts. In that each part is 1 by 8. That is, to make 1, we have to take 1 by 8 8 times. That is, 8 times 1 by 8 will make 1. We have to make 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means half. What is half of 8? What is half of 8? 4. So 4 times of 1 by 8 will make 1 by 2. So showing the calculation, 4 times of 1 by 8, that is 1 by 8 multiplied by 4. 1 4s are 4 upon 8. So 4 by 8, its reduced form is 1 by 2. So our answer is 4. That is 4 times of 1 by 8 will make 1 by 2. It is not necessary to show the calculation here. I have shown to verify it. You can, by logic way also you can do it. That is 8 times of 1 by 8 will make 1. So 1 by 2 means half of 1. So what is half of 8? That is 4. 4 times of 1 by 8 will make 1 by 2. Now last question, how many 1 by 6 will make 1 by 3? Here the first fraction is 1 by 6. That is whole thing is divided into 6 equal parts. So 6 times 1 by 6 will make 1. And we have to make 1/3. What is 1/3 of 6? 1/3 of 6 will be 1/3 of 6 means what? 6 is divided into 3 equal parts. So each part will be 2, 2, 2. So 1/3 of 6 will be 2. So 2 times of 1 by 6 will make 1 by 3. Now 2 times of 1 by 6, showing the calculation, 1 by 6 multiplied by 2. 1 2s are 2 upon 6. 2 upon 6, finding the reduced form, it is 1 by 3. So our answer is 2 times. 2 times of 1 by 6 will make a 1 by 3. With this, we are winding up today's session. All of you have to copy these answers in notebook because there is not much space in the workbook. I think you might have copied yesterday's printing was very small. Today I tried to make bigger. All of you copy it. Thank you.